Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I just realized I have never introduced myself on this channel like recently. So hi, my name is Uzzo, aka Uzzymami, Uzzy K. But yeah, that's my name. You guys, guess what day it is today? February 14th, Valentines Day. And the prayer was definitely worse. Just closing from work, and guess how I'm spending my Valentine's Day? Following Mr. Deme to get Valentine's Day gifts for his wife. Wow, this is what my life has turned into. Deme, say hi. Your fans are waiting.
Hi. Come and think of it. Do you have a vow?
I don't have a vow.
Yes.
I don't have a vow.
What are all the guys
That's just the reality of life. I don't have a vow. So yeah, we're headed to ShopRite to see if we can get something nice for his wife, and yeah. Plantain, fresh one.
Because iPhone likes?
Yeah, iPhone. Just say okay, fresh. Thank you.
Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed, but you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed, but you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Next to me, you keep testing me. I knew that we were meant to be, the connection was mentally, but I wanted you physically. Basically, I'm trying to say is that your body is heavenly, chemically inducing me with ecstasy.
The man finally got his Valentine gifts, and if you know the struggle that we went to get these gifts, oh my god. Hey guys, so it's content creation time. That's why I have like my lights downstairs and a couple of things. So it's Friday. Today was actually a lot, but anyway, I'll get into that maybe tomorrow. But today, this evening, I have some content I want to create, fashion content actually, to be precise. I'm just like getting into fashion, not that I'm getting into fashion, but yeah, I'm taking my content pretty serious now. So yeah, I have that to do. So I'm just going to do that and then probably unwind after. It's currently about 8 o'clock, so I'm just going to do that and then unwind after. My cat is actually shy.
I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Break my heart, you can kiss my ass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya? I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond, not a piece of glass. Walk away like I never knew ya. Got a new man, what's it to ya?
I don't even know if you can handle it. All I know is you can have it. I don't even know if you can handle it. All you want.
You guys, guess who's around? Mercy! So Mercy came around. We're going somewhere. That's why I have a whole lot of junk on my chair. But yeah, I'm getting ready. I just wanted to show you guys something that I got real quick. So I got this Sopro setting spray, and it's supposed to be so good. I'm going to try it out, and when I get back from where I'm going to, I'll let you guys know what it's like, whether it's worth your money. As in, but the eye is so nice. I like the way it acts. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so tired. Today has been a long day. It's currently about 11 p.m. and I'm back from the Sip and Scent event that Pro Fragrance hosted, and yeah, actually got a free perfume which comes with the event. So we're going to do an unboxing together. So I already know what this one smells like because I picked the fragrance there. So, but let me still smell it so that I know. So open the same way. Oh, this one is actually different. So, so the name is a bit wonk top and not really aesthetically pleasing, but ooh, the juice inside, you guys. This is the most feminine scent that I own. It's simply gorgeous. Like, it's a perfect date night scent. It's so sweet and floral. Like, I'm absolutely in love. Also wanted to come on here quickly and show the setting spray that I talked about in the afternoon. So it's the Pro Silhouette Setting Spray. You guys, see my face. My makeup still is intact. It's still intact. I didn't use a primer because I wanted to really like test out the efficacy, and it is worth your every penny. If you're a makeup artist or an MUA or like a beauty influencer, this gets it. Like, the mist, everything, the packaging is just top notch. So this is a really good one. So Pro, I actually like their products. They have really good products, so I'm not surprised that this is amazing. But yeah, going to bed. Tomorrow is another fun-filled activity day, so I need to get my beauty sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's currently Sunday, so today I didn't go to church because we're having Valentines Day out. Yeah, we're going to L'Aquatic at, what's that place, Landmark. So I'm just waiting for my sister-in-law to come and pick us up. Mercy is here, so we're just chilling. We've actually had breakfast. Tally is also here, chilling. Tally. Look who's here, Sugar Mommy K. You're fine, lady. Sugar Mommy K. So we're at L'Aquatic. Up next, Seychelles. Seychelles or Cancun. Yes, that's how we'll be moving. Girls trip, Bora Bora. Like, don't worry, just be watching out for us. We're ready. Hey! You can do it.
Should I put water on this thing? Because this thing.
Yeah, give me one of your hands. Yeah, keep up. Come up. Oh yeah, slide down.
Oh, yeah. You have to start from number 1. You can go straight to
No, not number 1, number 3, so that you fought like 3. You don't reach here. Here is not deep. On top of the green. Just roll yourself. Roll yourself, roll. Roll.
They don't say we use the same level. He choked. Die hard. Die hard. Who is your Uzzy? Who is your Uzzy? Only you. Who is your Uzzy? People use their leg to slide, I use my hand. Close your eyes.
Yeah, what?
We made it. We made it. Is everybody accounted for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're complete. You guys, nobody talked about how bad the salt water is. Eyes stinging, mouth, body itching, everything. Like, it's a lot. But we succeeded.
Yeah, we have to take it.